quick video of the servo controllers showing they are in working orders. You can see right there, Tamagawa's. Tamagawa, whatever it's supposed to be pronounced. And they are 220 volts. There's one there, another one in here, and another one in here that will be decommissioned. Of course, as you can tell, they work perfectly fine. This was a Juki FS-730 pick and place machine that I converted into a CNC. We retrofitted it as a CNC, and now project is dead, so we're gonna end up parting her out. CNC controller works perfectly fine. By the way, again, let's try and show that the spindle works fine. You can see the VFD right there, starting to turn on, run forward, and there's the VFD. We could bump it up. So yep, basically that's it.